how to create Google My Business listing. So the biggest and the easiest method is to go to Google and search how to create Google My Business listing. What a difficult task to do, right? Go to Google and start searching about what is the okay or best way or how to build Google local business listing. Okay. Number one, obviously open create new open listing option and create it. Okay. So you go to Google and start searching. Okay, create a new Google business listing. Okay, so let me go with my own style. Number one, you can create local business listing in Google in two methods. Number one, okay, ownership based listing creation. Okay, number two is local guide listing creation. Okay, so Google offers a program called Google Local Guide program. Okay, Google Local Guide, and anybody can add business information of any business online. That is the deal. One is ownership based listing creation, another one is the local guide based listing creation. Okay, ownership based means you must be the owner of the business. You must be the owner of the business and must be able to, okay, you must be the owner of the business and must be able to verify your business addresses. If you give a business address, Google is going to send out a verification code to the particular address through postal system, and after receiving the code through Google, and you need to manually verify it. Once verified, then the business listing is original and it will be uploaded. Okay, so you need to have your own Google ID or Gmail ID. You can do this with your own Google or Gmail ID. Okay, so ownership based listing creation, you must have a Google account created upfront, which means you should create your Google account. Okay, so ownership based list creation. Okay, and local guide listing creation is, okay, create an account with Google local guide program and start adding businesses in Google Maps. So once you start adding photos, you can add new business inside. As a Google local guide, you can add a new business inside. Okay, you can rate, review, you can answer questions. Okay, you can update, you can suggest new information about the business. Okay, so new business about the business you can suggest, and what else you can do? You can submit photos of businesses. Okay, photos of businesses. Again, you can submit videos also. Okay, photos, videos. You can rate, review. Okay, you can report business. Okay, you can help people to add missing place. Indirectly, new business means add a missing place. Okay, add missing place. Okay, so local guide listing creation, creating account with the Google local guide program, and so new businesses. Okay, so now what happens? There are two ways of doing it. Okay, the basic thing is make sure that you have the complete business